Hi Aces! Welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and joining us is Heather Ferris to take you through today's training on how to grow your tips by perfecting your customer service approach. In the high-pressure world of casinos, maintaining a calm and controlled demeanor is the key to turning tense moments into successful outcomes. This video explores how a calming presence can help you manage difficult situations, keep players at ease, and create a positive experience that keeps them coming back for more. Now, on with the show.
Customer service is tough, and the best customer service reps know that they can't let a heated guest force them to lose their cool. A customer service rep needs to be strong in order to support their customer who thinks their whole world is falling apart. And this takes us to step number 7, a calming presence. When the customer is angry or upset, the dealer needs to be strong and stay calm. Nothing is ever gained by winning an argument and losing a customer. It's not about who is right, it's about what is right. Who's right or wrong is irrelevant and unnecessary when it comes to what is the right decision that gives us the best outcome for the situation at hand. A calming presence means having the ability to stay calm and in control when things are stressful or a bit hectic. Of course, it's crucial that the dealer's in control of their table at all times. And being in control of your table means being in control of your players as well. This is different from needing something and calling over your floor. So, if the player is refusing to take his cell phone off the table, stay calm, be in control. Notify him that he has no choice, and if he continues to refuse, that's when you call over the floorman. This is one of the 1,000 scenarios that could possibly happen to you. But whatever happens, remember to stay calm, be strong, don't freak out, and don't make a bad situation worse.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel so we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button is only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all of these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it's worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the Toke numbers for casino dealers around the world, but we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your Toke numbers via our Toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out our other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first toke board, and so much more, all on our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until the next time, stay lucky, Aces.